Hey guys, hope you are right. Welcome to my another video, and this time I'm taking you to my trip to Italy. I have already shown the beautiful city of Bologna, and now in this video I'll be showing the world leading Tower of Pisa. Pisa, Italy is the home of the world-renowned Leaning Tower and many other ancient monuments. This city is spectacular, rich in history and ancient palaces and Italian squares. Pisa is one of the most popular cities in Italy because of its Leaning Tower of Pisa, and the monument is definitely must see on your trip. It is one of the smallest city in this region, and because of its size, it is one of the best choice for a weekend trip. So firstly, as you enter to this place, the first monument you see is the Baptistery. The place of baptism sits right at the Leaning Tower of Pisa in the middle of vast grass square. The 54-meter high circular shaped building has an incredible domed roof and an intricate facade. What more, just like a Leaning Tower of Pisa. This building also leans a little too, although not quite much. Wander around the cylindrical building admiring the details of architects before taking a look inside. The interior, although simple, it is beautiful. It's worth for the upper level where you can see amazing views over the rest of Pisa. Camposanto. Camposanto is a massive cemetery as in the same complex as the Leaning Tower of Pisa. It was built in 1277 to make the grave next to cathedral look a bit neater. It is also said that soil here came from Jesus' place of crucifixion. Also, all the history means many famous and influential people are buried here, such as the mathematician Fibonacci, who created the Fibonacci sequence. The interior of the Camposanto has magnificent frescoes. However, the real highlight is the interior courtyard and its regal columns and arches. Cathedral de Pisa. The Cathedral de Pisa, Santa Maria Assunta, is often forgotten about affair of Leaning Tower of Pisa. However, it stands right next door and is a historical gem in its own right. The beautiful Romanesque building is made from a white marble that has been intricately carved and sculpted. Inside you can find more marble as well as religious relics, gold gleating and beautiful paintings. Piazza de Miracoli, Square of Miracles. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, Cathedral and Baptistery.
And we enter into Pisa Kingdom. Wow, bloody hell. This is beauty. क्या दिख रहा है यार, मजा आ गया, एक नंबर. वाव, क्या बनाया है, बेहतरीन.
All sits in beautiful grass square that's free of cars. This area is now designated to UNESCO World Heritage Site because of its cultural and historical significance. After we visit all sites, spend a few hours just lying in the grass around the monument. This is the beautiful way to spend afternoon in Pisa. The Leaning Tower of Pisa has become more famous because of its noticeable tilt of 5.5 degree, making the building look as it defies gravity. The 8th story building is the cathedral bell, although the bell haven't rung it over 100 years. Why does the Leaning Tower of Pisa tilt? Construction began in 1172. Before they realized the ground they were building wasn't stable. Over 200 years, they tried to fix it, but it wasn't possible at the end. Now, measures has taken to prevent it collapse, but its sharp tilt has become funny phenomenon for tourists and the document. Although many people just come here to get the classic photo of Leaning Tower of Pisa. It's worth taking a good look of the building itself and its fantastic architect. You can even climb 297 steps to the top of the tower, where you can get great city views. In the past, this wasn't allowed for fears that it might make the building lean even more. That's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do like, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share, and also do comment how do you like my travel videos so that I can improve in my next coming videos. So take care and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.